Oh, God.
Just a little bit. There. Okay, it's coming.
You want me to pull some branches?
No.
Hold on, hold on. Okay, you gotta get these ones. Okay, go.
Oh, God.
Okay, we're good. Yeah, it's coming now.
Okay, pull.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, here I go. Shut up the door.
We're good.
And there's
Oh,
Puppy.
yes.
I told you to take a pull right here out.
Bailey!
Really big tree. Now's our time. Hurry, someone shut the door. It's gonna be in the fireplace, honey.
No, it'll be. It's just gonna be big.
We might have to turn it.
Okay.
Smells good.
You're gonna have to. Tip it up. Get it. Good God.
Oh.
Okay. Hold on.
Little crooked.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, no.
Not in here.
Great, ladies and gentlemen.
Hold on.
Leave it there.
It is in the fire.
Oh, push it my way
Which way?
to the northeast.
I don't know.
Oh,
Dad! You're dead.
I had to look.
Was it? Yeah. Is it straight?
No!
Wow.
Which way does it have to go?
I don't know. Up.
Hold on.
You reach
I need to loose. Don't pull. I need to loose that side.
Dad. It's leaning.
No, duh. Well, push it my way a little bit more. I gotta loosen that. Just a second.
Where are we pushing it your way if it's leaning that
I
way?
gotta get this screw loosened.
You need a screw loose.
No, I think you need the screw tightened.
Yeah, there you go.
No,
Ouch. Oh.
no. Right.
Ow.
Okay, now I'm gonna come your way. Got it?
No.
Okay.